What? Afternoon. Where are you going to? Grandma boy. Grandma boy. Second son's birthday. Yes, Golibe. This is my second son's birthday, and I'm off to pick up his cake, then get some few things for the house.
This one. Only the one plastic. The column one correct. This is 2 weeks to 4 now. So this one is
I'm going to go and buy food, so I'll turn and come back. Okay. Thank you. Hi guys, yes, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm a bit strong. Yeah, I've been under the weather. I'm a bit strong. Yes, as you can see, showing on my face, like showing on my face. Over here are some medications that I'm taking. I have to go and buy this pack of anti-malaria, like. And guess what, guys, today is my second son's birthday. Yeah, my second son is turning 6 today. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to God. Like, on this day 6 years ago, I was pushing a 4.1 kg baby. Like, I was pushing a big baby, guys, like 4.1 kg. If I saw I saw Baba God that day and I came back, so it's a miracle, guys. Join me to wish my son a happy birthday. Yes, my most, like, he's the most caring among all his brothers. Like, he's very, 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 like, if I had a girl, it would be Golibe. Yes, it would be Golibe, because his eye reach ground. His eyes reach ground as a guy. He's the most caring, he's the most considerate, although he's stubborn, but Anya Lorana. So guys, I'm back to the shop. Sorry, it's not cakes and cream, it's Giver's cake. I have gone to buy fuel for the house and for my car. I have gone to get some drinks and I'm back and my cake is not yet ready, guys. I don't know why these people are delaying me. I am not strong enough to be standing. But I have to pick up.
And that's the price because the slice we are selling it is even in good cream. It's covered in good cream. We sell it here. Per slice is 2,000, just like red velvet. So the 10 inches, if you are selling it in good cream, so that's the price.
How much is this small whipped cream cake? This whipped cream, Abby. How much is it? Okay. Without the toppings. I was thinking immediately I come, I'll just pick and be going.
She's done with it.
I went to buy fuel, I went to buy drinks, and I'm here. Oh, wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you, dear brother? Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. Yes guys, today is it is you. I'll bring you down, like I'll take you back upstairs. You want to follow me? Oh yeah, sit now. So guys, as I was saying, today is
Mama. 40th anniversary.
yes, 40th anniversary of my
6.
children's school. So we're going for the school party, guys. You push, come and say hi.
Hi.
They are not seeing you in your anniversary Ankara. So I and the boys were going out. We're going to their school for their school party, guys. Let us go. I'll take you guys along. No long talk. We should be going. How am I looking, guys?
Beautiful.
I didn't buy the anniversary for the parents, so I decided to go in my boo-boo, my fuchsia pink boo-boo. Guys, I don't even know how to get out of this parking lot in my house. Christopher. So guys, at this point they were calling out some alumni, like old students of the school, yes, to come out for recognition. Yes, so many of them, so many of them. So you can imagine a school that's 40 years old, how many students it has produced. Yes, so the proud alumni are already filing out in their numbers. Yes, see me cautioning my last card, that guy. Anyways, I refuse to go to the high table because it's not my thing. I like to sit with the crowd, guys. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Drama boy. Drama boy. Drama boy. Where's your teacher? Hi guys. Guys, we are done and we're heading home now, guys. Like, the event is over. Yeah, not over, but kind of over. What kind of traffic is this now? Yeah, I know. But when we move now, we'll honestly, okay? We have to move first before we honestly. Let's just get out of this your traffic now. One is enough.